what exactly is that? And what is the big, craze about that? Why is it so, such a hot button topic, I guess?
So MTHFR, I almost titled my book, I have an academically published book. I almost titled it MTHFR is a gateway gene because MTHFR is often the first gene that people learn about, and it introduces them to the concept that your genes influence your health and your state of health influences your genetic expression. And so a lot of people think that MTHFR is what converts folic acid into the form of folate that the body uses called methylfolate. And that is wrong. There's
Mhm.
so many influencers out there and medical doctors that are saying that, but that's actually wrong. So MTHFR is the second step in turning that folate into the usable forms. And then methylfolate is the form that drives methylation, which is a really, really important pathway in the body. It helps with so many things: neurotransmitter health, repairing DNA, cellular health, detoxification.